Hello students, today we will discuss about the factor affecting the rate of adsorption of gas by solid. That means our adsorbent is solid and adsorbate is gas. Gas is adsorbed on the surface of solid. Which factor affect it? Means which factors increase the rate of adsorption or decrease the rate of adsorption? First one, beta surface area. First one is the surface area. When we take a solid, whole surface, whole area, whole solid is empty. That means more the surface area. And now gas is adsorbed on it. More the surface area, more and more gas will be adsorbed. As the gas adsorbed, surface area start to be decreased and rate of adsorption is decreased. Or we can say, I want to adsorb gases on this solid as well as on this solid. Surface area is less, surface area is greater. More the surface area, more is the rate of adsorption. That means surface area is directly proportional to the rate of adsorption of gas on solid. Better more the surface area, more is the rate of adsorption. That means how we will increase the surface area? We increase the surface area by divide the substance or solid into smaller pieces or grind the solid into finer powder. Then second one, beta is the nature of gas. Nature of gas adsorb. It means rate of adsorption depend upon the nature of gas which is adsorbed on the surface of solid. That will be explained. Nature of gas. Nature of gas means easily liquefiable gases. Which gases are easily liquefiable? Meaning of liquefiable is gas is liquefied easily. Gas change into liquid state. Easily liquefiable gases are more adsorbed on the surface of solid. Beta rate of liquefaction is directly proportional to the critical temperature. Critical temperature is the temperature of gas after which a gas cannot be liquefied. That means maximum temperature at which the gas exists as liquid state is known as critical temperature. This critical temperature, greater the critical temperature, greater the rate of adsorption. Beta nature of gas, easily liquefiable gases. Easily liquefiable gases has more critical temperature and high rate of adsorption. These three terms, liquefaction, critical temperature and rate of adsorption, are directly proportional to each other. Easily liquefiable gas means gas is easily and readily liquefied. That has maximum temperature, that is the critical temperature, and has a high rate of adsorption. Next, better temperature. Temperature, if we increase the temperature, rate of adsorption decrease. Better it can be explained by the fact that we explain that rate of adsorption or adsorption is exothermic process. Adsorption is exothermic in nature. That means when adsorption takes place, energy is released. Then the reaction which is exothermic always be forward direction at low temperature. If we increase the temperature, according to Le Chatelier principle said na, if we increase the temperature, rate of reaction move toward equilibrium constant, move towards endothermic reaction. Adsorption is exothermic. If we increase the temperature, it will be reversible. Reversible means dissociation. Beta, suppose we have solid and gas. They are adsorbed, or we can say gas is adsorbed on the surface of solid. That process is exothermic. If we beta, reversible process is endothermic. If temperature is low, forward reaction will take place. When we increase the temperature, according to Le Chatelier, rate of reaction move towards equilibrium constant, move towards endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction is desorption. So temperature is inversely proportional to rate of adsorption. Of gases on solid surface. Now, next is the pressure. Next one is the pressure. Beta, if we increase the pressure, rate of adsorption increase. That is directly proportional. Next, activation of solid surface. Or indirectly this question is come in your exam, like how will you increase the surface area of solid surface? Activation of solid surface or increase the surface area of solid surface, both are the same question. How will you increase the surface area? First, by making the solid surface rough. Beta, when I purchase this pen from market, its surface is very smooth. But that means at that time I dip it water when this pen is new and moves out. Hardly one drop or two drop, or may not be water drop be stable on it. But by using this more and more time, its surface become rough. Now I dip this pen into water and moves out. Number of water droplets remain adsorbed on the surface of this pen, because surface area of this solid surface is rough. Second, by dividing the solid surface into smaller pieces. Or by grinding the solid into fine powder. Rate of adsorption more increase. Better rate of adsorption more increase. These all are the factors which affect the rate of adsorption of gas on the surface of solid. Thanks, Peter.